muscles and keep you full longer. Mix Greek yogurt, vanilla, and honey. In a container, layer crushed graham crackers, the yogurt mix, and sliced mango, and repeat. Chill until set and enjoy your simple, wholesome, and heavenly dessert. Loaded with protein,
You're about to make the most incredible chia pudding. Cook frozen strawberries with chia seeds until jammy. Whisk matcha, milk, maple syrup, and chia seeds, then chill overnight to plump up the chia seeds. Layer the strawberry mix, chia pudding, and Greek yogurt. Add your favorite toppings and dive in. So delicious and healthy.
Make use of your bananas before they go bad with this delicious snack. Simply cut your bananas in half, then slice them open. Spread peanut butter on each piece, sprinkle crushed peanuts on top, then drizzle with melted dark chocolate.